Hi guys, this is iTricky Boy. Today I have bought a TP-Link TLWR841n 300 Mbps dual band router, and today I'm going to unbox this router. I have bought this from Amazon.in, and let's see what I have got in this envelope. I have removed the envelope, and this is the box. As you can see, this is a TLWR841n dual band router. The sticks are non-removable. Let's see what I got inside. What I have got inside. It's this is the TP-Link installation CD. Here is this is the router. As you can see, the antennas are non-removable. The antennas are of 5 dBi each. See, 5 dBi each, long range Wi-Fi 5 dBi antennas. And this is my bill. As you can see, this is the router. Here is the Ethernet cable, and this is the charger. Let's see the pin of the charger. If you buy this from Amazon.com in outside India, the pin will be different, and you can see here in India the pin is different one. As you can see in the mobile chargers, you can use it in your router. So all these things I have got inside the box. Okay, thank you very much.